because you're always asking me to look at you.
It would be nice if I didn't have to ask you, wouldn't it?
It would be nice if you didn't need me to look, which would make it unnecessary to ask.
I can never get any support from you. You've got all the time in the world for everything and everyone else, but I have to draw blood in order to get your attention when I walk into a room.
We walked in the room together. It was already done. Cassie, please don't start. We're 45 minutes late as it is, and I don't want to ruin this night for Charlie and Myra.
We are 45 minutes late because you scowled at every single dress I tried on.
I didn't scowl, I smiled. You'll always think my smile looks like a scowl, my grin looks like a frown, and my frown looks like a yawn.
Don't you sneer at me.
It wasn't a sneer, it was a peeve.
God, this conversation is so banal. I can't believe any of the things I'm saying. You sound like a damn TV couple.
Oh, so now we're getting into language, right?
Oh no, Mr. Perfect. I won't bring in any language. Heaven forbid I should show any human perfection. I'd wake up with the divorce papers in my hand.
What is this thing with divorce lately? Where did that come from? And I don't look at you sometimes because I'm afraid you're thinking you don't like the way I'm looking at you.
I don't know what you want from me, Glenn. I really don't.
I don't want anything from you. I mean, I would like for things to go back the way they were before they became the way they are.
You suffocate me. I want to go home.
Go home. We just got here. We haven't even seen anyone yet.
I don't know how I'm going to get through this night. These are your friends, and you're expecting me to behave like nothing's going on.
Nothing is going on. What are you talking about?
Don't lie to me. The whole freaking city knows about you and that cheap little chippy bimbo.
Keep it down. Nothing is going on. You're blowing this up out of all proportions. I hardly know the woman. She's on the Democratic Fundraising Committee. I met her and her husband at 2 cocktail parties, for goodness sake.
2 cocktail parties?
Yes, 2 cocktail parties.
You think I'm blind?
No.
You think I'm stupid?
No.
You think I don't know what's been going on?
Yes, because you don't.
Listen here, Glenn.